Hello, my name is Mason and I'm from the Moscow Public Library, and today we are going to go over this week's Curbside Craft. I just picked mine up from the library. I'm going to open it up and see what we got in store for this week. So let's get into it. Oh, my tag came off. It is open. Looks like I got a Ziploc bag of some paraphernalia, I'll call it. Little puff balls, some buttons. 2 bags of air dry clay. This is like that foamy clay that you've seen before in a craft store perhaps. 2 bags of it. I happen to get brown and yellow. I think everyone's gonna be getting different colors, so it's a surprise. And last but not least, some Ziploc bags I can put the clay back into if I have any that I didn't use and I don't want to dry out. And some instructions. They say Fairyopolis neighborhood. 1. Open the bags of clay and knead thoroughly before forming. Form the clay into a fairy neighborhood. You can make houses, flowers, or whatever you think belongs in a fairy neighborhood. Make it unique. Add your decorations, yada yada. And then let clay sit for 6 to 8 hours to dry completely. So let's get it making. Here is my finished fairy house. It still hasn't dried yet, so it's still a little wobbly and wet. When it dries, it will be nice and firm. You can see I made a nice little hut for the fairies with a door and a pathway. I made them a tree, decorated it with all the little odds and ends I found, and I've made them their own little fairy palace. I'm going to let it dry for about 6 to 8 hours, and then when it's done, I can put it somewhere where I'm sure the fairies will find it. I hope you enjoyed this week's craft. See you later.